If you want to be walking distance to the beach, but something that's a little bit more private and exclusive, then Peninsula Point might be the place for you.
Peninsula Point is the southernmost tip of Newport Beach Peninsula. It's quiet, upscale, and it's a residential area known for its narrow streets, charming homes, and laid-back vibe. But its biggest claim to fame? The Wedge. The Wedge is one of the most legendary surf spots in California, maybe even the world, and yes, that might be a stretch, but especially it is known for its massive and powerful waves that can reach up to 30 feet during big south swells. It is definitely not for beginner surfers, so you do want to be cautious, but it's incredible to watch from the shore, and you have body surfers, skimboarders, and photographers definitely love it here. Nearby, you have bayfront homes with private docks. You have a peaceful beach atmosphere and beachfront properties. There's no commercial shops, so it definitely feels a lot more residential and more local. And it's a perfect place for sunsets, walks, or quiet beach days.
But how much does it actually cost to buy a house on Peninsula Point?
Homes start around $4 million and go well beyond $22.5 million on the bayfront, with the price per square foot running a little bit higher, around $2,573.
And how much does it cost to rent a place here?
Long-term and seasonal leases only, but they start around $4,500 a month and go all the way up to $75,000 plus a month.
But what is a year-over-year appreciation for Peninsula Point? Is it worth buying a home down here?
Absolutely. Peninsula Point did see a negative 1.5% appreciation year over year, so the homes are selling slightly lower than they did last year. However, the long-term play is definitely here.
If you want more community information, go ahead and contact me, as I would love to be able to help you buy a place here, learn more about the community, or if you are thinking about selling, I would love to see your home to see how much we can sell it for.